The strategy of former House Solon and chief suspect in the flood control mess of playing the victim card is not working. His latest video declaration online has drawn little support, even among his supporters, for his insistence he received no kickback at all. Is absolute balderdash, as Armela Las Moras reports.
Yun na nga ang laging sabi is puro sabi ni
Navotas City Representative Toby Tiangco criticized the new video released by former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Saldico. According to Tiangco, it is once again full of mere hearsay and that it is not right for Co to implicate President Ferdinand R. Marquez Jr. in the alleged budget anomaly, especially since they do not have any direct communication.
Wala naman siyang masabi na direkta, di ba? Puro sabi ni Martin Romualdez, meron si Pangulo dito. I don't know kung ano yan. Kasi nga sa harap ko sinabi mismo na sabi niya, Martin, wala akong natatanggap dyan.
Tiangco also found Co's claims questionable, specifically the part that he supposedly did not receive any share of the money, as it is allegedly clear that all the transactions went through Co.
Kahit anong sabihin niya, siya yung tumanggap ng pera. Di ba? Kahit anong sinasabi niya, the fact is, tinanggap niya yung pera. If it's 52 billion, all the more, hindi ka paniwala na wala siyang natanggap, di ba?
One of the main personalities being implicated by Co in the alleged corruption issue is former House Speaker and later 1st District Representative Martin Romualdez. However, Romualdez camp has already asserted that his conscience is clear. For now, they say they respect the referral made by the Independent Commission for Infrastructure to the Office of the Ombudsman regarding the issue.
The ICI explicitly states that the referral code is issued without any finding or conclusion of guilt or liability on the part of former Speaker Romualdez. This clear statement reinforces our confidence in the Commission's impartiality and affirms the constitutional role of the Ombudsman as the sole authority empowered to make determination on accountability.
On the part of the House, Speaker Faustino Bojoy D. III had already stood firm that those involved must indeed be held accountable. Speaker D said they respect the process and support the institutions responding to ensure that justice prevails. Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.